Want to create a stunning modern fashion poster in Photoshop? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design an eye-catching poster in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, I'll create a new file with a width of 1000 pixels and a height of 1100 pixels. Now we are going to place our first image, for which go to File and place that image. We have to desaturate this layer, for which we are going to image adjustment desaturate. Now create a new layer and select the purple color on the foreground color, as this is the color. Now fill this color by pressing Alt plus Delete. Place this color layer behind that image, and now select the image layer and change the blending mode to soft light. We have to adjust the image a little bit by using the move tool. I think it's fine. Now we have to create a shape, for which select white color on the foreground and select the rectangle tool. Roundness to 0. Create a rectangle shape as I do. Now hit enter. Okay, so we have to expand the width by pressing Ctrl T. We have to adjust the size of that image. For transformation, press Ctrl T and then transform the layer accordingly. I think it's fine. Now we have to make this image smoother, for which I am creating a layer mask. Now selecting a brush tool by selecting black color on the foreground and hardness to 0%. Now using brush tool and remove the area. Now we are going to place another image. Go to File and place that image. Hit OK. Now what we have to do, we have to rasterize this layer first, and then we have to remove the background by using the Object Selection tool. Place that image accordingly. Now we have to desaturate. Go to Image Adjustment and desaturate. That's perfect. Now we have to adjust the brightness and contrast of that image. Create a new layer and select the blending mode to overlay. Now select that purple color again and make selection of that glasses as I do, and fill this color with that purple color. So I am using brush tool to fill that purple color like this. Now press Ctrl D to deselect. Okay, it's fine. Now we have to add text on our poster. The font which I am using for this text is Futura PT. So now you can add the text as I do. Follow all the steps. Okay, let's add a shape below this text and make sure that you have selected purple color, which I'm using for this poster design. Okay, now we have to add some more text you can add text accordingly, the text which you want. Now we are going to add a CTA button, for which I am selecting a rectangle shape with the roundness of 30 pixels, or you can adjust accordingly. So adjust the size and the placement of that shape, and now add text as I'm writing shop now, and adjust the boldness of the text and the size of the text and place accordingly. I'm selecting 20, I think, yeah, it's fine. Okay. Now I'm going to add some dots at the background, dotted shapes, or you can say vector art, or elements, dotted elements in the background, for which I am selecting a shape tool, ellipse tool, and create a small circle. Make sure that you have selected the purple color as well. Now duplicate this layer, and now follow all the steps as I do. Isn't it cool how I created this shape by creating a circle, duplicating and merging? Now adjust this shape to the behind of the head of our model, duplicate it again, I think it's fine. Duplicate another, first we have to place behind her head. Now duplicate it again and place to the top left of our poster design. I think I should make it vertical. I think it's fine. I have to move towards the left side. Okay, so duplicate this again and place towards the right side of our poster and make the color to the white so it will be visible. Hit enter, and then by filling, what we have to do, control click and press control delete to fill the color, and duplicate and place on the top of that image. I hope you enjoyed this poster design. If you do, don't forget to like, share and leave a comment. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing tutorials.